weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. 24-hour temperature cast. Not really looking like it should at the end of October here, right? With temperatures starting in the 70s and making the mid-80s and doing it all over again tomorrow. I see an increase of moisture coming from the east and from the south. A boundary to our north and west, not able to get this far south, so not a lot of change coming, at least not over the next 5 to 7 days. Hopefully, middle of next week, we'll start talking about a real push of cooler air, but that's a long way from now. 68 degrees to get us started in Thomasville. We're at 70 in Valdosta. We're at 72 in Tallahassee. There's a pretty good breeze from the east and northeast that should be noticeable throughout the day. The cool spot is Blakely at 63, but look at all those other numbers. Right around 70 degrees. It is 70 in Madison and in Valdosta. It's 71 at Jefferson High School, 68s for Mariana, for Quincy, for Thomasville, for Moultrie. Definitely warmer than it should be this time of the day, this time of the year. We're talking 12 to 15 degrees warmer. No visibility concerns because we do have that breeze. We see all those yellow wind arrows coming in from the east and northeast. And when you see lots of them and you see them moving real fast on this map, you know there's a good breeze out there. And I do think we're going to have that breeze at times today. Higher pressure, still the big weather player at the surface for at least another day or two. And that means that boundary to our north and west is stuck. It will eventually fizzle out. And some warmer air is going to try to surge a little bit more north over the next several days. We're all the way stuck in that warm air mass. That's not going to change as we get a little bit more moisture and we start to develop a little bit of energy upstairs in the atmosphere. That should be able to give us a little better chance for some scattered showers tomorrow and Thursday. So we'll up those chances for showers a little bit, but I'm not counting on big widespread everybody gets wet soaking rains. This out here, Tropical Storm Epsilon. Continuing to spin, looking robust enough where I think there's probably going to be some more strengthening with it. Right now the winds are at 45 miles per hour. It's barely moving, and it is expected to stay east of Bermuda over the next several days. I don't think there's a lot of land to worry about with this one. We'll see how close it gets to that little island over the next several days. There's actually a little bit more energy in the Caribbean. That's showing some signs of life, but not really good ones, at least not yet. So we've got our eyes on a couple of things in the tropics. A little bit breezy out there for the boat operators, small crafts. Use some caution. We're talking winds like 12 to 22, mainly from the northeast. Low tides will be next up after 11 o'clock. 60s and 70s to get started. Yeah, that sun doesn't rise till 7:43. How about mid-80s this afternoon? Partly cloudy, warm. Put those rain chances around 20%. Tonight it's more upper 60s and low 70s. Not much changing over the next few days, except we should increase our rain chances a smidge tomorrow and Thursday. Look at all those mid-80s. Yeah, a little warm for this time of year.